Alright, so in this tutorial, I'll explain how you can join Sora 2 with invite access. So there is only one way on how you can join Sora 2, and it's the invite access. And for invite access, you need the codes. So you can try a variety of codes and just simply try them and check if anything works for you. So for in simple words, you just gotta find out the code that suits you. But if you want to be lucky in it, what you can do is just get VPN first up, like get a good reliable VPN and connect it, and also just connect to USA servers or Canada servers. Once you connect to them, just simply try a few codes. Like I do have this code right over here. You can try this one right over here and see if it works. But there are two more methods that you could do. First one being the Discord method. What you can do is just simply join OpenAI server. Once you join it, you just gotta verify your OpenAI. I currently don't have any OpenAI official account, but you just gotta create an account and then verify it with OpenAI. And right over here in the server section, you'll see Sora 2 chat. If you go inside the chat, people will be talking, and you can just simply check out the codes, and they'll be randomly dropping invite access. So you just gotta get the code actually from there. Once you get them, you can just simply copy the code and paste it in right over here. Now the second method is just simply Sora to invite code Reddit. So what Reddit does, it drops a mega thread, and you can just search up the mega thread and look up to it. And right here, here as you can see, if I press on the link, and here they are, like people are dropping codes over here, and they're asking everyone for codes and everything. So you just gotta sign in and gotta find code. And here, as you can see, some of them will be deleted, and is someone saying that they're gonna share codes. So you just gotta wait and find the code. Once you find the code, you can simply paste it in over here, and then you'll get the Sora 2. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.